So what is the meaning of HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor. Highest common factor. In our last video, we actually explained the factors of a number. If you have not watched that video, you may want to go and watch that video. Now, we say that factors of a number are the numbers that can divide a given number without having any remainder. So let's take, for example, we asked to list the factors of 10. So what are the factors of 10? I'm just going over this. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. So we have to get the HCF of a set of numbers. How do you do that? Let's look at some examples. Now, we're asked to find the HCF of 5 and 10. Now, there are two ways of doing this. There's the listing method. Now, let's look at the listing method. 5. So, what are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. What are the factors of 10? Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. If you look at it now, what are the common factors there? The common factors are 1 and 5. That is 1 here, 5 here, and also 5 here. So what is the highest factor? The highest factor is what? Is 5. So we can say that the outside HCF of 5 and 10 is equals to 5. Now let's use the division method to also solve this question. So we have 5 and 10. We're using the division method. So we have 5 and we have what? 10. So what are we are looking at the factors that can divide both of them at the same time. If you look at it now, if you want to use 2, 2 cannot divide both of them, right? So 2 is not a common factor between 5 and 10. 1 is a common factor, but you can't use 1 because if you divide it by 1, it will give you back this number. Now, if you look at 5 here, 5 here we have 1, 5 here we have what? 2. Remember, 2 cannot go into, we can't use any other number here. So our HCF is what? HCF of 5 and 10 is what? Is 5. This is the same thing we got in our listing method. Now let's look at another example. So want to get the HCF of 10 and 20. Let's use the division method. HCF of 10 and 20. Now looking at this, what is the common factors between them that you can start with? We can actually start with what? 2. So 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. 20 divided by 2 gives us what? 10. 2 cannot go in both of them. So the next one that can go in both of them is what? Is 5. So 5 here, we have 1, and then we have what? We have 2. So what is the HCF of this number? It will give us 2 times what? 5, which is equal to what? 10.